How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms in the stock market, and I want to try to help you guys with a system that I developed for over 6 years that has worked, and it's make consistent profit on how to find reversals on these bottom type of plays. And I have a premium Discord if you guys want to join. It's only $6 a month, so any account size can make lots of money, and I'll post that into the YouTube comments and into the description below of YouTube. But let's get into where you want to see. You want to see ticker fund, where we at, and kind of like what has the chart has done, and where can we see this from going from here. So we have the three lines here. The top one is your sell zone, middle is your reversion to the mean, where price has to go back to. It will go back to, and it will touch it in a certain amount of time. And then the lower band is your green band, and that is your buy zone. And as you can see, when price went up a lot, the whole thing got disoriented, and it takes some time for things to get corrected back. So I want to kind of see like so a buy zone would be honestly something like this. Once it gets down here, it can't sustain it. It goes all the way back up, making quite decent returns there. That was like a $5 move from the lower wick. I want to look for something really good though here. This one was not bad. It gets near it, touches it nicely. It has about a 5 big down move, and then it shoots up 10% and another 5%, giving you a nice reversal there. And goes up way up here if you want to hold it that long, what I don't recommend, because as you can see, you get a low here, reversal, and then as you can see, we actually touch this blue band, because like I said, when price goes away, you get a reversal, and usually it touches that blue band. I would not count on that though, because a lot of times you would see something like this. I like to do the band, half between the middle band and the green as a target, because a lot of times you see it go down here, making a new low, and then it'll go up and then down. But what you will see is right in here, the longer it has not touched the green band or the blue band, the faster it will get to. And as you can see, if this was 401, and we're going to count this as kind of a touch, 601, that was like a 2 month mark right in here, and then it physically touches it right in there. So it will do it. Some are more stubborn, but it will do it. It has to. And this was a massive, holy crap. This is what you call a squeeze. When the price gets way above it and the ATR levels are way out there, the shorts are getting squeezed, and that's what you saw with the GameStop move, and then the kind of the DWAC move too. But then, as you can see, shorts will get this under control because it's just out of whack. You should never be buying at this red band, because you will be bag holding, and then what does price do? It goes back to this blue band. So we kind of want to see what is price doing, because I know there's a lot of tension in PHUN, because it makes massive moves when it can go. It made a 450% move. It kind of sucks that it has lost pretty much all of that, and it looks like it wants to test this bottom of this candle at 6.58, as we've just been making that way towards it, right? So as we can see, the lower band is at 2.93, and that's been still correcting. That is where I would like to have a solid buy, because as you can see, when you get close to this buy zone, the thing likes to jump up and hit this blue band, and it's just been making consistent returns, and no one can expect this. This was obviously a news type momentum play, and congrats to all the bulls on that one, making massive returns. So this system is to give you conservative. We don't like to chase, obviously, because when you chase plays like this and you're buying it above this red band, you will be bag holding for a very long time, and that's what you do not want to do, because it's just unsustainable at this. Even the blue band is like flipping a coin. You at least want to get in close to possible to this green band, or near at least below the middle band. And there's a lot of things I use with this system. I use the KDJ. As you can see, this yellow line, the lower the K, the better the reversal. It's kind of like an oscillator. So as you can see, we went from 11, 12, and now back to 11. When you get down to lower the K, you will get a very nice reversal. And as you can see right in here, we had a very low K, and it could have went a little lower. It's at 7, and then you start getting a little reversal back up to that blue band. So it's a lot about patience and let the market come to you. There is That's what it is. You just, and I also see that we have a 1 for 50 split here, so that's why I did actually see on the 15-minute pump up, and I was kind of hyped about it that PHUN was going up here. Then it just lost its gains, but it's really not that down that much today. We're down, 5.80%. But you got to realize a lot of these reverse splits, usually when they happen, for a couple solid days, it does head down. But I also seen the opposite, so you just never know, right? But I do want to see near price near this green band for a retest of that blue band as a potential target, and just keep on rinsing, repeating, making nice returns. And sometimes with this strategy, you will get, when you wake up, a big massive candle to the upside, because it's been just so overextended to the downside, where it has this, they release some news, or what we know pre-market is where you get a lot of these big pennies going up massive. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. We're kind of in like a no trade zone. I do want to see a move kind of down below. As you can see, it has been very consistent with this strategy to make consistently those 10 to 20% gains, and that is massive when you just keep compounding your account, and then month by month by month. And like I said, guys, I do have a premium Discord. If you guys really want to further your trades, your education, and just want to know what made me stay in the market for over 6 years and been consistent month after month, and have back tested this thing to finally release videos, it does work as long as you follow exactly what I tell you. My unique accumulation rules: do not ever go all in, size appropriately, you will be fine. And it's a system that will make you confident, because when price goes down against you, you know what we're kind of looking at, and you know your potential targets. And so there's a lot to go in. It's only $6 a month. I highly encourage you. If you don't like it, cancel any time. That is totally fine. But I promise you, you're most likely to like it, because it's a great system and you can use it in any market. And this was just one trade I wanted to show you at. I also have trade alerts where you can look exactly my trades, and you can see my exact entries and exits in real time. And then most importantly, I have a setup video so you can see how I organize all my chart to look exactly like yours. And like I said, this is kind of a short video. I go in longer in depth of over about 30 minutes that go exactly over all this, so you are more familiar in how I trade this stuff, and you're more confident yourself. Instead of just listening to me, you can do this yourself too, right? So yeah, that's everything in a package for $6. If you're grandfathered in, it'll always be $6. It'll never go up. And I'll put this link into the YouTube comments and the YouTube description, where you not see it. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades, guys. And then also, guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment what your average is for PHUN. Anything you enjoyed will spread the algorithm to other retail traders that are looking for reversals and bottoms, and kind of see patterns of what a stock does in these ATR levels that we're seeing here, and what it can potentially go up to. And when it goes above it too high, of course you have a sell off. The blue band is your reversion to the mean, and then the bottom band is your buy zone. And you don't just buy right away, but it's a buy zone. And I talk about all these indicators in my reversal trading setup video, and in my premium Discord of how to get all this set up. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the Discord, and have a great day.